'Tis the season for mistletoe to tumble from treetops. We tie it by its toes. We hang it over our thresholds. We wait beneath its smooth, Grinch green curls of leaves and pearl round white berries, hopeful for a kiss. 'Tis the season to stand under the mistletoe, but others have stood in its tangles above us well before it came to our doorways.
I'm Eleanor Spicer Rice, and this is North Carolina, naturally. I'm here at Juniper Level Botanical Garden in Raleigh, North Carolina, to talk to Bill Reynolds. Bill is a horticultural supervisor of field trials and productions here at the garden. He's also a good friend of mine, and he's going to tell us about mistletoe. Where are we today, Bill?
We are at Juniper Level Botanic Garden here in South Raleigh. We have roughly 28 acres, and we are currently in a trial garden where we test a lot of different plants. Today, we're going to take a look at some mistletoe, which is actually a plant that we're not growing on purpose, but it's a native species. There are roughly 1,300 species of mistletoe worldwide, and mistletoes are hemiparasites. Do you know what that means?
Tell me what it means.
A hemiparasite is a plant or animal that is parasitic, but at the same time, some of what it needs is self-sustained or produced within that organism. It is actually rooted into and grafted into the host tree, which means that the water and a lot of the micronutrients are being acquired and obtained from the host plant.
American mistletoe grows on more than 100 tree species. In winter, its sticky white fruit serves as important meals for hungry birds like cedar waxwings and mockingbirds.
So when the bird eats the berry, the seed passes through the bird undigested, so the seed is still viable. And it retains that adhesive sticky coating on the seed. The seed can adhere to the tree and begin to send out its roots, which eventually penetrate and it grows into the tree.
Bill says that North Carolina's mistletoe species has the scientific name Phoradendron leucarpum. Phoradendron is derived from Greek and means thief of the tree.
The tree itself is not benefiting from the mistletoe, but the mistletoe does depend on the tree.
But is the tree getting killed by the mistletoe?
No, mistletoe in the natural balance typically is of no consequence to the tree.
Sure, it thieves, but it rarely kills healthy trees. Instead, it adds another layer of life to the outdoors. The animals take notice.
It oftentimes is utilized by birds and some mammals for nest building.
And they hide there when danger rears its head.
I see you've brought us some mistletoe to actually look at up close, and
I harvested it.
I'd like to thank Eleanor for climbing up in the tree and grabbing some of this. Not the tree that you saw over here, that's obviously pretty high.
Can't get that high.
It's an interesting plant, has very thick leathery leaves, but here, these are the egg cases, Ootheca, of the native Carolina mantis. And this is a very beneficial insect. Mistletoe, it's home to a lot of little insects.
And just imagine when you walk under, just right up above you, what's munching on those little leaves. Yes, mistletoe has its human moment in the holidays, but for the rest of the year, we leave it to the treetops while other animals make their home in one of North Carolina's most beloved parasites.
This video is sponsored by the Heart of North Carolina Visitors Bureau, offering small-time gems with big-time fun. To learn more about mistletoe, read my story in the December 2025 issue of Our State magazine or online at ourstate.com. And to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Our State YouTube channel.